everyone, we're back to our magic room of RG-AirMetro series, WISP Bridges. I am your dear Camila, the marketing manager of WISP Bridges. It's my great honor to have you all here to participate in this online event. Thank you. At the very beginning, please allow me to express my amazement. It has been 7 months since we last met here. How quickly time flies! Over this time, the AirMetro bridges have evolved from a promising new player in global wireless transmission to a trusted source of stable connectivity. Let's take a moment to look back at this journey with an overview video of this series. Every time I watch this video, I get truly excited. So, my friends, do you remember what the AirMetro family has? It has one base station, 3 antennas, and also 2 dishes here, one with gigabit board and the other one with a megabit. You can choose any combination of these devices to fit different scenarios. The longest working distance for the P2P connection is 15 kilometers, and for the P2MP, one station can connect up to 32 CPEs. And for the key specs, I put them on the official website of AirMetro. You can visit the RE website and search for AirMetro to view the detailed specifications. On the topic of main application scenarios of AirMetro, we would like to recommend you two: the WISP and outdoor CCTV or Wi-Fi coverage. In WISP scenario, we have 2 customer groups. For home users, the P2MP approach is commonly used, with CPEs installed in each home, all connecting to a central station. Then the commercial users, like schools and businesses, they typically prefer the P2P method to provide dedicated lines for a more stable and reliable service. To give you a clear understanding of AirMetro unique advantages in this scenario, let's bring on our special guest, my colleague Henry, play as an ISP star. Hello, Henry.
Hello, Camila. Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our webinar.
Thank you for inviting me. And oh no, I'm so exhausted.
Okay.
I just came back from a town where I dealt with some issues for bridges of U brand. I have received a lot of complaints from our customer several times. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Henry. So how is it going? Have you already resolved the problems? And does the U brand give you some technical support?
Almost now, nothing. I don't know how to contact the official technicians. I need to figure out a workaround by myself by checking with the community and my friends. But some of the issues still there haven't been fully addressed.
Okay.
So I'm considering replace all these devices.
So very poor, Henry. I would like to recommend you to use or to change to use our AirMetro because we RG offers a much better service warranty. We have 3 years warranty and removed all the local technical support. And we also offer you a very comprehensive documentation in multiple languages.
Really? That's cool.
Yes, exactly. And in the pre-stage, Henry, may I know how do you usually do the site survey?
To be honest, for the small projects, I typically don't do the implementation, the site survey, but for the larger scale projects, a compulsory on-site survey requires a very high level of specialized skills. So I usually use at least 2 applications, one Google Map plus one design platform.
Got it. So, Henry, I would like you to try our AI heat map for bridge.
Okay, I will.
It is a very intelligent site survey tool. Instead of using at least 2 apps, you can just use the RG Cloud because we integrated the Google Map to our cloud. So when you are out to do the site survey, you can just record the location on your app, which will sync to your computer and ACC.
Oh, that's lovely.
And after completing your design on computer, you can just export a very professional survey report in Excel, PDF, and even the Word. And you can just customize it all in under 30 minutes.
Oh, that's cool.
Even during the installation step, you can calibrate the positions anytime with the real-time updates to online report. And I'll show you a video to see how it works on RG Cloud.
Okay, please.
When conducting an on-site survey, do you still need at least 2 apps? One for mapping accurate locations and another for marking them in your placement design. Now, with AI Heat Map for Bridge, you can do the site survey with only one system. We've integrated Google Map into RG-Cloud and made the professional report downloadable. Open RG-Cloud and click AI Heat Map. Create a new BOM or select an existing one. Choose Wireless Bridge from the drop-down menu to access the AI Heat Map for Bridge. Now, RG-Cloud will automatically pinpoint your current location on the map. You can start your site survey. After the bridges are added on the map, RG-Cloud will instantly generate the wireless coverage in vivid colors. On the right, the information bar provides options for both auto mode and manual mode. If you're not satisfied with the recommendations, switch to manual mode and customize the settings according to your preferences. Click the Export button to go to the next page, where you can enhance the report content before downloading. Finally, save the report in Excel, PDF, or Word format. This function is also available on RG-Array app. Cloud, make your business easy.
Whoa, that's fantastic.
Hold on, Henry. The AI heat map for bridge is not only useful for the pre-stage, but also for the alignment part. You can use the survey report to rough adjust the bridge first and change to use the alignment tool with a very big voice to fine-tune.
Amazing. So all can be done by the RG Cloud, right?
Correctly. Besides, in the deployment step, we offer the spectrum scan to help you to do the easy optimization. Just one click to scan all the CPE channels, and then you will have the recommendations for the best one with the vivid colors.
That's great.
Less high technical skills needed. So, Harry, what do you think of these cloud features? And how much do you think it would cost to use the RG Cloud?
To be honest, I'm quite impressed now. The entire process feels so smooth and effortless. But I think it will be very expensive though, because I know the unified management for other brand costs at least $300.
Yeah, for other brand, for RE, only in one system, you will have all these features.
Wow.
And you can manage all these RE devices from routers to switches, wireless bridges, and even APs. But it is limited lifetime free.
Free? Oh, that's shocking. That's again terrific.
Guess what?
Mhm.
I have one more exciting news for you.
Yep.
We will have one new cloud feature, the trend chart.
Okay, what's that?
In after sales, your customer complaints can be resolved by reviewing historical signal strength for easier troubleshooting.
Mhm.
The cloud now supports checking bridge SSID, the latency, and real-time traffic trends for the past 24 hours or even 7 days. A more professional and comprehensive reference for you.
Awesome. I can't wait to go back to my project now to replace all the old bridges
Thank
and
you.
with
Thank you
our
very
new RG-AirMetro. I need to go
Thank
back
you.
now
Thank you.
immediately.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you for
Bye-bye.
your attendance. Please ring me if you have any problem. Sorry, what happened? Sorry, what happened with that?
All seems coming.
Okay, hello, boss.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Okay, Camila, what are you doing now?
I am giving the AirMetro webinar, and it's live.
Okay, hello, everyone.
Yeah.
So for what scenario?
Oh, I just finished the WISP scenario.
Again?
Yes, one more time.
Okay, I think it's boring. You know, I just came back from the Middle East for a business trip, and I visited more than 40 ADPs, most of whom are specialized in CCTV or networking. And they have placed AirMetro bridges on their shelves, but I don't think our partners know the advantages of AirMetro in their business. So I think you need to elaborate more on this aspect.
Yes, no problem, boss. I will pay more attention to this part. So normally in the CCTV or Wi-Fi coverage scenarios, we see that the customers, they use wireless bridges to provide internet access for residential areas or commercial buildings without fiber optic connection. And the access points are generally quite dispersed, requiring respectively full coverage. And boss, there are some specific examples of this scenario, such as some parking lots, solar farms, and even some camping parks like this.
Okay, enough. I think in real business world, you only have a few minutes to introduce the advantages. Just give me one clear sentence to explain the AirMetro advantages effectively.
Certainly, boss, certainly. We have found that different stages of the CCTV projects bring various challenges, such as difficulties in pre-stage solution selection, time-consuming P2MP pairing, and the need for multiple management platforms post-sales, which can be very costly.
Hold on. In this field, we all know that AirMetro is still a very new compared to the industry leaders. So how to compete with them?
Boss, we are new, but we are also the game changer in this area, you know. We offer innovative, pretty much easier, and more efficient methods.
Show me.
For CCTV scenario, P2MP solution is more popular than P2P.
Why is that?
There are principally two reasons. First, using a single station instead of multiple ones can reduce interference and increase stability. Then, it can also enhance professionalism and offer a more centralized management.
Seems like P2MP is a better solution for CCTV. And what about the performance? How many cameras can AirMetro support?
Yes, we have included this data on our official website, so you can check it anytime you want.
Not bad. It should be quite useful.
Thanks, boss. And boss, may I know that during your business trip, did you notice which brands are commonly used by clients in the CCTV scenario?
Before AirMetro, mostly U-brand.
Yeah, it's the mainstream.
Therefore, coming up, what advantages does AirMetro have over you brand?
Boss, we truly have some. First, in the pairing step, for the other brand, 7 bridges pairing requires logging into each CPEC web and manually adding them to the station. The customers have to repeat this action 7 times, which would take over like 10 minutes. But we offer an extremely simple one-touch pairing feature. So I'll show you. Can you see this feature and this button? This is a physical button here, the WPS button. So you can just simply press this button on the base station. All the CPEs will be paired automatically, only in 30 seconds. And the food topology will appear in 2 minutes. This button is also helpful for the station replacement.
One-touch pair.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Is this feature unique in the market?
Yes, unique. Besides, we also have this new function on the app. You can do the pairing directly on your phone.
That's useful. And for the maintenance, are you also providing some valuable and beneficial functions?
Correct, boss. In these days, many of our customers have already noticed the updated design on RG Cloud. Much clearer and user-friendly. You can check this data with just one click. You will get the RSSI, the latency, and so on.
So, Camilla, are there any other unique value points? I'm only interested in what's truly one of a kind.
Okay, exactly, boss. We offer an all-in-one cloud management solution, which means that our integrated platform provides free management for all RE devices, including routers, switches, wireless bridges, and even access points.
Great. AirMetro truly had something. Well, seems like AirMetro is well prepared for CCTV scenario. What about CCTV success cases? Well, we all know that for WSP, we have such as Jason from Kenya.
Yes, boss. I have real cases I collected globally.
Show me.
Okay. So the first CCTV case comes from the UK. There are several parking lots in one street. They are the scattered parking lots, and they require a very comprehensive 24 hours, 7 days surveillance system.
For outdoor parking lots, one of the biggest difficulties in cabling seems to be the obstacle of great number of trees.
Exactly. These lots are surrounded by tall, leafy trees, which may cause difficulties in such service step and have interference on the signal transmission. Therefore, the client's requirements are clear: full coverage for these parking lots, avoid obstacles and tree interference to guarantee a stable data transmission, and also easy and efficient maintenance. This is the survey report, boss. For the biggest problem, the leafy trees, thanks to our AI heat map for bridge, through some on-site and remote attempts, combined with the recommendations on the tool, the customer completed the site survey. They deployed finally one P2MP group using a 120 degrees antenna to deliver a wireless coverage for the whole street. And these 5 CPEs, they used 460G. And you can see, boss, the results are pretty good. Besides the positive feedback on AI heat map, other cloud features such as alignment tool and spectrum scan, they also improve the pre-stage and installation steps. RG Cloud Management simplified post-sales maintenance.
Not bad. The cloud functions, especially the AI heat map for bridge, really helps a lot.
Yes.
So the cloud tools of AirMetro are really very useful. But in the CCTV scenarios, do you have any success cases that can directly demonstrate its wireless transmission performance?
Sure, boss. Let's see the second case, the colleges from Saudi Arabia. The colleges plan to establish a new outdoor IP camera system, opting for a wireless transmission solution. They emphasized stable transmission and efficient remote management. The customer chose the AirMetro bridges, so we can see in this video. With the station deployed in the administration building, combined with the 120 degrees antenna and pairing 6 CPEs, 6460G. And some of the CPEs connected to a single camera, while others connected to two, such as this, connected to cameras IPCs here. And this video shows us the environment in front of this administration building. Here is the station, and there are several parking lots. We can see that the results meet largely the requirements of customers. The AirMetro bridges permitted a high signal strength, achieving 30 dBm for a very good video quality. And also, RG Cloud Platform enables easy and efficient network management.
Seems like in the CCTV scenarios, we really have some success cases.
Yes.
You know, for outdoor Wi-Fi coverage projects, they are also facing cabling issues. Can AirMetro help them?
Sure. Our smart customer has already deployed AirMetro in a camping park.
Wow, interesting. Camping park.
Yeah.
Where is the case from?
From Spain, España. Muy interesante. So this is Camping Picos de Europa. It's a camping park in the north of Spain. Has 4 main sections around camping, small bungalows, and touristic apartments. Facing challenges such as poor performance of old devices, limited coverage areas, and difficulties in meeting customers' high internet quality demand, the park decided to upgrade its network infrastructure. And this is the site survey. Due to dense tall tree cover, the current solution uses 2 bridge groups. We can see here, this is the first group, the P2P, from reception to the villa. And this is the P2MP group. And boss, 2 months ago, our team visited the park and had the pleasure to interview the project client. So let's watch the video to discover more details about this case.
Camping Picos de Europa is a camping park in the north of Spain. During peak season, it accommodates up to 1,000 people simultaneously. Facing challenges such as poor performance of old devices, limited coverage, and high internet demand, Park chose to upgrade its network infrastructure. The park finally chose RG-AirMetro devices, installing 2 bridge groups in total, 1 point-to-point group and 1 point-to-multipoint. Let's hear from the client as he shared the challenges faced and how RG-AirMetro devices performed.
What have been the difficulties you have encountered in this project to do here at the campsite? Here is a link made from here to there, and the biggest problem was to cross the magnetic field of the high voltage line, and above all the several leafy trees in the way. We even considered removing them, and when we saw how it worked, the trees lived, they stayed alive.
They stayed alive, we didn't have to prune them.
They didn't have an unhappy ending, did they? And there are several fiber links, that is 2 fiber links specifically, and then there is this antenna here, which is the one that makes point to multi-point to 3 points.
An omnidirectional antenna?
Yes, omnidirectional.
This allows us to place, I imagine, at any point a radio link and
Yes, it allows us to make a field in which you can connect several access points, and the truth is, with a very high performance, and the performance does not drop at any time.
Bravo, muchas gracias. Boss, I think the Spanish market needs me. I'd like to apply for a business trip to Spain now.
So I think you're asking for a Europe vacation. I think you can have it after you sell 100K units of AirMetro. Do you have more unexpected scenario cases?
Of course, AirMetro can also be used for delivering Wi-Fi coverage in farm. And this is a spacious farm in Australia, distant from cities and challenging for cable installation. Needs extensive wireless coverage for its workers, who are the primary users.
How long is the distance? I heard that farms in Australia are very big.
Yes, the average distance between station and CPEs are more than 2 kilometers. The customer deployed a P2MP group as the picture showed, with 190 degrees antenna connected to the Starlink and 2 CPEs in the main workshop shed and pallet.
Whoa, Starlink and
Mhm.
AirMetro. The customer is really fashionable.
Yes, and the result is also very good, with a stable, high-quality wireless connection. With a distance over 2 kilometers, the signal strength can reach up to 57 dBm. At the 2 access points, the customer connected hardware to his laptop for the speed test, and the results were really satisfying. The download speed reached 262.
In long-distance P2MP scenario, AirMetro performs outstandingly.
Correctly.
So, do you have any long-distance P2P case studies? In some situations, a simple one-to-one bridge group is frequently needed.
Of course we have, sir. This is a Wi-Fi coverage project featuring a P2P bridge setup provided by our longtime friend John from Thailand. And this is a university in Thailand. It needs to establish a wireless transmission between two buildings 1.8 kilometers apart to provide Wi-Fi coverage for graduate students.
Okay. I'd
Yeah.
rather hear it directly from the client than you.
No problem, boss. We are fortunate to have invited John, who personally shared some details about this project with us. So let's see this video.
Hi everyone, I'm John from GRP Distribution. Today I will share the case success story with the Ring wireless point-to-point wireless bit AirMetro product. This site we have deployed the Ring Rajamankala University of Technology Lana Internet Wi-Fi service for the client graduate student with distance between the building A and building 2 1.8 km. We use the fiber link between building A and building B, but the internet we have the problem with the fiber broken size away before install. I use with the link calculate from the AI Luigi survey heat map. We use technology from the Luigi. The signal strength on the Luigi cloud for the size away before. After I guarantee with bandwidth and this capital worm team, my partner he say yes, and I send product to him. After I test performance, this bandwidth we deploy to customer. Customer is okay. The feature from the cloud is really simple and help us for the guarantee with bandwidth customer. And the customer is very happy with the tool for check for each link, and together we can manage on cloud, and together we can combine with the cloud by without no report sent to him. Okay. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, John.
Hi everyone. I'm John.
Sorry. Thank you very much for your detailed sharing. And boss, I think this is a very persuasive case. Even in a long distance, 1.8 kilometers, AirMetro still performs very stably, and the speed test we can see is also satisfying.
Right. I heard that you raised your voice again, so you just get out from the Europe vacation thinking, right?
Okay.
So last month, I attended a outdoor music festival as a audience, not a singer, you know. And I noticed that many fans are taking photos and videos and shared on their social media pages.
Mhm.
So I think internet is also important for this kind of temporary activities. And the cabling is also a big issue for them. How can AirMetro help them?
Boss, you are really a good businessman. And in July, our client completed a wellness coverage project for a music festival in the UK. The festival lasted for 4 days, and the needs were very clear. They need extensive coverage for busy areas, efficient handling of many users, and simple management for quick issue resolution during the 4-day event. The project used over 40 RG devices, including switches, bridges, APs, and home routers. They installed 2 bridge groups. In each group, the base station is equipped with one 120 degrees antenna and connected to 6 CPEs. Each CPE has a 520D downlink for wireless coverage across different sections. The customer is satisfied with the results because the AirMetro bridges provided near total wireless coverage, ensuring stable data transmission for thousands of attendees and staff. RG devices and a unified cloud platform enabled real-time network monitoring and reliable service. Boss, are these case studies persuasive?
I'm happy to see these diverse success cases for AirMetro. And I think you should also ask our audience if they have any questions about the AirMetro.
Sure, but now I need our audience to fill in the poll of webinar today. And doing that, let's answer their questions. So it's our poll time. Let's see here. Okay, can you see? Can you see the poll on the screen? I think yes. So first the question.
Okay, so here's some often asked question here. And the first one is our customer asked, can AirMetro 460F bridge with 460G?
Yes, yes. But the performance of the bridge group is determined by the 460F, meaning that the G will function as F.
Oh, that's the bucket theory, right?
Mhm.
So the second question is, can we use the one-touch pairing button to add more CPEs?
Yes, you can, but not recommended, because pressing the WPS button on the base station again can add new CPEs, but it will cause all the configurations of existing devices to be lost. Therefore, it should only be used for initial bridging when all devices are in factory settings. To add more CPEs, follow these steps. First, you log into the web interface or RG app. Click Add Device. The system will automatically scan for nearby devices. You can add the target devices according to their SN.
So remember to use the button in the right scenario. Okay. The third one is after deployment, what can I do if the CPE has a low speed?
We have 3 steps. First, you can check your CPE signal strength. If the value is less than 80 dBi, the signal is too weak. Please use the alignment tool to adjust the angles of the device. Then, the current channel may have a severe wireless interference. So please use the spectrum scan tool or manually switch to other channels. But if severe interference persists, it could be caused by factors such as low installation height, the ground obstacles, high environmental wireless interference, and so on. So please just raise the height or change the deployment location and try again. And that's all about our webinar today. Compared to other bridges brands, AirMetro offers unique advantages that set it apart, opening up many possibilities across various scenarios. Hope our presentation today has been very useful to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
And em português. Esperamos que a nossa apresentação de hoje vai ser muito útil para todos. Obrigada. Até a próxima. Tchau, tchau.
Bye
bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye bye.